Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cannoli cake. Begin by preparing a yellow or vanilla cake mix as directed on the package. Pour the batter evenly into two 8-inch round pans. Bake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, allow the cake layers to cool completely on a wire rack before moving to the next step. Now for the star of the show, the cannoli filling. In a large bowl, combine 2 pounds of whole milk ricotta cheese with 1 cup of powdered sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Mix everything together until the filling is smooth, creamy, and perfectly combined. This rich filling is what makes the cake truly special. It's time to assemble your delicious cannoli cake. First, level your cooled cake layers using a serrated knife for a neat stack. Place 1 cake layer on your serving plate, then spread a generous amount of the cannoli filling over it. Top with the second cake layer. Finally, frost the entire cake with a smooth layer of whipped cream or a mascarpone frosting for a beautiful finish. To complete your masterpiece, garnish the top of the cake with extra mini chocolate chips, chopped pistachios, or even some candied orange peel. For the best flavor and texture, chill the cake for at least 2 hours before slicing and serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cannoli cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.